I attended third session which I am attending with Polymerupdate, and believe me, all the sessions they have conducted till now are very informative.
SIES, the program which we came recycling and compounding, it's very wonderful regarding the LDP segment which are we coming into recently. The segment was very beautiful, panel was very beautiful, it was learning new things regarding flexible, rigid and many more.
Today, I am here at SIES School of Packaging in collaboration with Polymer Academy. They have session from last 2 days which is completely on EPR and the upcoming trend of circular economy, to know about the plastic waste management, recycling that are very important in today's plastic industry and for the future.
Attending this course was an absolute delight. We got insights into sustainable packaging. We were able to clear all our doubts about EPR and the related components of EPR for its implementation in our own company and as well as the industry standards as well. It was a great pleasure to be part of this. Thank you so much for inviting us.
I got this information from Polymerupdate as well as collaboration with SIS School of Packaging. About this course, it is a very fantastic course and I have learned so much things about it, and so that I can apply it for my future progress. Thanks to the Polymerupdate company for training course, and I would further continue as more, will join more and more for these workshops as well. Thank you.
We had a great session of lab testing and faculties are very amazing to explain and describe the delamination to every procedure of testing. Polymer Academy, best I can say collaboration with SIES, South Indian Education Society today.
And particularly this session on sustainability, that is the fundamental things which everyone should know. For that, these sessions like this are very important, which will create awareness about sustainability and recycling in public and in industry as well. Thank you.
Overall, the concept and the technologies and the new parameters what we have learned, recent EPR also, it was also wonderful. Too much learning and great things to learn. Thank you.
I would like to tell young entrepreneurs to please attend such kind of seminars, sessions, wherever it is happening in India, as Polymer Academy in collaboration with many of the educational or companies or platforms. So I request everyone to be there. It was a beautiful time here. Thank you.